From Backwater Reptiles. We have a male Chinese water dragon, a baby green Pac-Man that's supposed to be female, and a king baboon tarantula. Let's get straight to it. Okay. So first up we have the king baboon. Looks like the substrate is a little shaken up. Can't really see it. Yeah, it's definitely got a bit shaken up though in the move. Definitely gonna have to rehouse this little guy or girl, hopefully little girl. Our female Pac-Man frog. When she gets big enough, I'm gonna breed her with the male that I have. Let's see if we can open this up, get a better view. Nice. Alive, looks healthy, vibrant green. Okay. And last but not least, we have the male Chinese water dragon. It's probably a little cold. It's fine. There's no heating pad in here, which really fucking sucks because it is the middle of winter. That's not really how you're supposed to send things. It's overnight shipping, so let's get these guys into their enclosures. Here is the enclosure for the Chinese water dragon. It's already a pre-built terrarium, 50 gallons. I think he'll enjoy it. Oh, look at that booty. Let's see that. Right here. Okay, we're going to. I will be building the enclosure for this sling from common household items. Here you see me drilling holes into the sides just for airflow and exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide with the plants and the outside world. Along with the sides, we also be drilling holes in the top. I had a little dirt in there from a previous build, so I decided to just rinse that all out. Here's all the things you'll need. I like to use rocks for a drainage layer, and I mix in some activated carbon or horticulture charcoal. Excuse me, can't talk. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Just, nice little amount. They are fossorial, meaning they like to make nice deep burrows. So I'm giving them plenty of dirt. I think I'm gonna fill up to this line here. I'm gonna show you all can see that. Okay, so with that, I'm gonna throw the dirt right on in there. Normally I would get this moss out of here. Just put this corner. You can hide it in there under that. Just clip this out. Take a little piece. If it lives. If not, it's okay too. And I'm going to take a cookie. Smoke around, got this cheese. There. Nice and easy. And here we have one of my propagation boxes. It's gonna be a home for this female baby Pac-Man frog until she gets bigger. I'm hoping that once she matures, I can breed her and have little babies. You can see her colors. She's very pretty. Yeah, she said she's ready to go. Let's do this. All right, little buddy. And we have it. Let me give this a nice little misting. Yeah, this will be our home. Hello everyone, the Tarantula Man here. Here's a review of Backwater reptiles. I originally wanted a Brazilian black tarantula. Well, I said it was in stock on the website. And it came down to already paid for it, and I got emails saying, oh, they didn't have it. I was like, okay, I'll take this. So I was like, oh, we don't have that either. I asked for a cobalt blue tarantula. Never mind the fact that the customer service wasn't really the best, and the website isn't up to date as far as what they have available and in stock. The 3 animals I did order came alive and well. They just could have been shipped a little better as far as they were all inside one box, which is fine, you know, it's completely okay. But there was no heating pad, there was nothing to keep the humidity constant in there, and anything could have happened from here to there. I can already tell that the box got shaken up a lot in transit, but that's more of a UPS issue, of course. Honestly, in the future, I can't say that I would be ordering from them again unless they just have some crazy, insane deals. But yeah, peace out, and thanks for watching. Please watch and please like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe.